Okay, question number 15. You have 3 and 1/3 plus 5 and 2/3 plus 3 and 5/6. Okay, so when you add 3, 5, and 3, you get 11. Okay, we'll do that at the end. But let's focus on adding the fractions for now, okay? Alright, so you have 1/3 plus 2/3 plus 5/6. Okay, so we want to add these three fractions all at the same time. Alright, what's the least common denominator? Notice here, 6 works for 3, again for the other 3, and 6 works for 6. Okay, so my least common denominator is going to be a 6. How do you go from 3 to 6? You multiply by 2. So you multiply by 2 here, and you multiply here by 2. For this one here, you're going to multiply by 2 to get to 6, obviously. So we're going to do the same thing. So you multiply by 2 and multiply again by 2. 6 stays the same, it didn't change. Alright, so here's what we have: 6, 6, 6, and 6. So everything is looking all nice and smooth. Alright, so 2 times 1 gives you a 2. You put it right here. Plus now you have 2 times 2, which is 4, and you have a 5 at the end. Okay, alright, so let me back up here for a second. So you have 2 times 1 gives you 2, 2 times 2 gives you 4, and 5 stays the same. Okay, last step, just add everything that's on top. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So 11/6 is my fraction, which is improper in this case. Okay, let me get this out of the way. So 11/6, need to change it to a mixed number. 6 goes into 11 one time. You keep your 6 as a denominator and a remainder of 5. Okay, now going back to your very first operation, we needed to add, remember when we said we're going to add the whole numbers first? So it's 3 plus 5 plus 3, and that equals 11. Now when you add your whole numbers, you get 11, but remember you had an extra 1, that makes it a 12. Okay, so your final answer is going to be 12 and 5/6. Okay, and that's your final answer.